Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't checked out how I make my sugar wax, then go check out that video first. But we are going to jump right into this. So I am just going to slow it down for 5 seconds just to explain why I have so much hair under my arms. Not that I care about what anybody necessarily think about why I have so much hair under my arms, but I have a lot of hair in my arms because I wanted to do this video for you guys and to show you that the sugar wax actually work. And I also give my underarms a break in the winter time. I do not wax them once a month. In the summertime, I will wax them once a month because waxing actually lasts a lot longer than shaving. So in the wintertime, I like to just skip a month so that my underarms do get a break. I know some of you nosy people are probably wondering, well, do you skip a month for your bikini line? And that's a negative. I get that very touched up all the time. No problems with that area. But just to avoid having dark underarms, that's why I do this with my underarms. And my underarms have never given me a problem doing this. I have no bumps, no darkness, no scarring, no nothing. So just give your underarms a break, you guys. But the way that I wax is basically going the opposite way of where the hair grows. So if your hair grows downwards, you should apply your wax going in the opposite direction that your hair is growing. This whole process for me to do one armpit takes about 4 to 5 minutes. I timed myself. It was almost more on the 5-minute mark. It doesn't take long at all. You guys are probably wondering, is it painful? It is a little painful the first the first 3 times you kind of rip the hair away from your arm. It is a little shocking, but then after that, it just becomes numb, I guess you can say. And a lot of you are probably wondering, like, girl, really, you're gonna wax your armpits right by your bowl of fruit? I'm actually far away from my bowl of fruit that's on the table, and I normally do this in the bathroom looking in a mirror, but for the sake of the video, I am doing it where I have the most room at in my tiny home. But nevertheless, you guys, this is how I wax my underarms. And once again, like I said, if you want to see how I make my sugar wax, please check out the video before this, and I will have it linked down in the description box for you guys. But this is pretty much how I keep my underarms flawless, pretty, no problems. Like, you guys, my underarms, I will have to say, is like one of the things that I'm most proud about on my body. Is like they are good. So just showing you guys the nasty hair and showing you guys that it works. So, and just really quick, just some of the benefits of using a sugar wax, because I am using a sugar wax. I know I keep saying wax, but it is my homemade sugar wax. It is more friendly to the earth, you guys. You're not throwing away sharp razors, and it just is more better overall. You don't get ingrown hair bumps. If it do kind of bump up, that means that you pulled the hair out the wrong way, but it's so much better. Sugar is more hydrating for your skin and everything. Like, I couldn't even tell you the benefits of actually using sugar wax and stop using razors. So it has a lot of benefits to it, you guys, and it's really easy. You can make it at home for less than $4. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory, you guys. Just apply the wax the opposite way your hair is growing. If you don't like the ripping feeling that much, just do a little section at a time. But this is the way that I wax my underarms, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And please don't forget to leave comments down below and leave thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.